If you're unsure what to cook for the New Year's Eve dinner, take a look at my family's recipe. Today, I'm sharing 8 treasures rice with friends. Here's 400 grams of glutinous rice soaked in water for 3 hours. Put it in the rice cooker. Add 50 grams of brown sugar. A bit of lard makes it more fragrant. It'll also have a shinier color. Add more water than usual when cooking rice. Make it a bit softer. Just use the regular cook setting. Remove the pits from the red dates and cut them in half. Slice the pumpkin thinly. Next, use a regular bowl as a mold. Brush some oil inside to prevent sticking. These are mixed dried fruits from the supermarket. Place them directly at the bottom of the bowl. Arrange a circle of red dates on top. Then place the pumpkin slices on the very top. Try to arrange them closely together. This makes it easier to unmold after steaming. Coat your hands with a little oil. This prevents the rice from sticking to your hands. Finally, pack the cooked glutinous rice on top. The 400 grams of rice made 2 bowls. After covering, press it down firmly. Pack the rice tightly. Place it in the steamer once the water boils. Cover with the lid. Steam over medium heat for half an hour. After taking it out, use a spoon to loosen the rice from the bowl's edges. This makes unmolding easier. Then invert it onto a plate, and there you have it, perfect for the New Year's Eve table. There's another plate we haven't touched. We'll wrap it with plastic wrap. Freeze it with the bowl. Just steam it next time you want to eat it. It's so chewy, sweet, and delicious, just as expected. You got to stand and sing like the ancients. The ancients would lick this. It's like a glutinous rice ball. Wow, sweet, fragrant, and tasty. You all have to try making this. If you bring this to a gathering, you'll get praised. It's definitely easy to learn. Right? It's delicious. And very simple to make. Perfect for the New Year's Eve dinner. Yeah, for our New Year's Eve dinner, we also have another dish. Alright, when New Year comes, just steam it and serve. It's super simple. It's substantial and satisfying. Yes, it feels like a little dessert after the meal. Honestly, it gives a sense of reunion.